Hey everyone, welcome back to the Yarn Necklaces channel. Hopefully you saw my video from yesterday. I announced the winner of the hashtag christmasinjulyfairies, and today I wanted to make a video on what I am giving her. And the winner is Catherine Davidson. She said in her comment that she likes jewelry, so I wanted to give her some fun jewelry, handmade jewelry of course. And oh, and don't mind my messy hair. I just came from Busch Gardens and rode like 3 coasters, so I have coaster hair, but no big deal. Oh, and I have a coaster shirt on. My sister gave me this shirt. It says, "This is my roller coaster shirt," and it's upside down. So fun. So thanks, Julie. That's my sister. But anyways, I'm going to show you all the jewelry and things I'm giving Catherine. So let me start with this necklace here. This is my crocheted multi-strand necklace, and this was actually the very first necklace I started making with the Trellis ladder yarn. And it has multiple strands, and it has a bead on the top, so you can make it adjustable. You can pull it up like this and slip it over your head, and then pull it back to whatever length you want it. It's a really lightweight necklace. A lot of people say it looks like beads when you wear it. So really fun. And actually right now on my website, you can get this pattern for just $1. So I'll put a link in the description below so you can get that pattern. And my next item is a Seashell Locket necklace. And let me show you guys that. And this necklace has real seashells, a starfish, a sand dollar, and it's in a stainless steel locket, and also the chain is stainless steel. And it's one of my favorite things that I love to wear because I do love seashells, almost as much as crocheting. And the next thing I want to show you is this bracelet. This is an aluminum wire bracelet that I just started making these last year, and I just really love them because the aluminum wire doesn't tarnish and it just stays like nice and shiny like that. And it's real easy to bend. It's a lot easier to bend than other types of wire. And this bracelet it just bends out like this, and then you can put it on your wrist and just bend it back like that. And then just fit it to whatever size you need. If you like it a little tighter, you can squeeze it. If you like it looser, you can pull it out. And really fun bracelet. And I also have a little heart on the inside of it, so I think that's just super cute. Adds a little touch to it. You probably already saw, but I did do a tutorial on how to make this necklace. This is also aluminum wire, and it's just like a little swirly links. So if you haven't seen that video, I'll definitely put a link in the description below for that one. This necklace is also available on my Etsy store, and I'll put a link in there in the description for that too. The next thing I want to show you is these cute little rose seashell earrings, and they're made of mother of pearl, and they're just a fun little addition. I thought it'd be cute with the seashell locket that I have down there, and they are just like little tiny stud earrings like that. I also wanted to add in something fun. This is an aromatherapy locket. Since it's Christmas in July fairies, it's like, of course they need a fairy. I thought that would be a fun little addition. And this is really cool because you can take this, you can see that it's got green inside of there. You can take that out and then change out the colors. I'm going to add in all those colors there. You can put little drops of essential oils or perfume, or you don't even have to put anything on there. You can just change out the color just for fun. So that's a fun little necklace. Also, the last thing is this face mask. Now I showed you a different face mask yesterday, and I actually sold that one. So this is another one that I had already made up. So I'm going to give her this one. And since I found out she lives in the South anyway, I thought this was like a super cute little fabric. It has like little fruit on there with like sunglasses and little, like a little martini glass and different things like that. I just love making these face masks because I get a lot of compliments on them. They have like the nose wire here, which is real bendable. You can bend it to your nose and fit it real good. It has a filter pocket inside there. Also, the best part about it is this elastic on the back. What I did was I put a little lobster clasp here. You can see that. And then I tied like little loops on the rubber bands. So that way you can fit it to any of these. Like you can go all the way back here, 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 or here, depending on how wide your neck is. And it stays up really good. It just stays on and everything. I wore this on 3 roller coasters today, so a really good fitting necklace and really, really quality and everything. If you want to see the video tutorial for this one, I'll put a link in the description below, and I also sell these on my Etsy store, so I'll put that link in there too. I hope you enjoyed seeing all the goodies that Catherine will get, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.